Hello, in this very short video, I'm just going to show you how you can create a wheel of names with images. So you can then, instead of text, you can have pictures. And the way I use this is with my A-level students to practice the photo cards or the stimulus cards, that I call it A-level, to as a game. So it's a way of gamifying my lesson and the exam skills. So this is how you do it. First of all, you can open Wheel of Names, but first of all, go to Exampro. I go to Exampro because then I can choose here all the photo cards that I want to include in my Wheel of Names. Okay, you can access this as well from the actual past paper in your PDF. Once I am there, like in here, I'm going to take a picture of the area, okay, that I want to show in my Wheel of Names. To do that, I'm going to use the snipping tool, as you can see here. If you open the snipping tool, it will tell you that you click on Windows and Shift and S, you can start selecting and snipping the area that you want to. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so Windows, Shift and S. And once I do that, I'm gonna select this area because this is the area that I really want. Okay, once I do that, okay, what I do is that I double click on my image, and once I've got that, and I'm going to, my image should be there you are, I'm going to save it. So I'm going to say save as, and I'm going to save it in a place I can recognize it. Okay, so to have something called A-level speaking cards, I give it a name instead of PNG, which is fine. I'll prefer JPEG. I save it, and I do that with all the other photo cards as well, as many as I want to include. Once I do that, I go now to Wheel of Names. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, Wheel of Names. Okay, and I'm gonna have first of all a new Wheel of Names. Okay, let's see, there you are. Okay, so once I'm here, so there you are. Okay, I got different options, okay, on how I can enter it, but the best one is to go to advanced. So I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm going to advance and click OK here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set add entries. I'm gonna add every entry manually. And I'm gonna click on the little box here where you can see the picture. So I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna get the picture and open now my folder. I search it, look for the pictures I saved previously from Exampro. I select it, I say open, and then what I do, and that's why I chose advanced, allows me to change the background. Otherwise, everything will be white, which I don't think is very appealing. So I'm gonna put that background, okay, and I like that. I can leave everything else as it is, and I go to add entry. And I do the same thing. Go to picture, choose any of the pictures that I saved. So it could be, for example, that one. And then I go to open. Again, because it becomes white, I click on that and I change the color and I keep going. Add entry, you can add as many, about 100. And that is basically my wheel of names created, okay? So there it is. Now what I need to do to be able to use this over and over again is actually to save it. So I'm gonna go to save in here so I can access it anytime I want to, okay? And I'm gonna give it a name, test A-level, okay? Because it's like a testing thing at the moment. Okay, I'm gonna save it. And now what I do is that, because I do have that, I'm gonna go now to, okay, to share, very important, sorry. I'm going now, there you are, sorry, there you are, sorry. I go to share and press continue. And I'm going to say anyone with a link can spin the wheel. That's the format I think is better. I'm going to share now. I'm going to copy the link. And now with this link, I can just add it to anywhere, anything, anywhere I want to in my PowerPoint presentation, etc. So I'm going to go in there. You can see now this is my wheel of names, and this is how I use this. Okay, so that's my wheel of names. You could have all the entries in here, and then you can have a look in my blog from MFL Craft blog, MFL Craft blog blogspot on how you can use this in different ways, in different activities that you can use.